Today I'm checking out this X-Pack series. This is an X-Pack Plus, so this one has the 2K camera in it. I was sent this at no cost, so I can do this review. So let's go ahead and take this thing out of the box and check it out. So when you take it out of the box, you're going to find it all zipped up inside of this nice semi-rigid case. I love cases that, especially ones that are molded for the device, because it not only helps you store it, but it also helps you protect it while it's in storage. So I really like these cases. It comes with a remote that also holds your phone. This flips up. It comes with a drone, of course. It comes with this zipper pocket part up here so you can hold all the accessories for this. It comes with a manual, batteries for the remote to get you started. It comes with extra props or blades, 2 batteries, comes with a screwdriver to let you put these batteries in the back of the remote, and it comes with the battery charger. So I'm going to get these batteries charged up, get this thing ready to fly, then we're going to go test it outside. All right, so I've got the batteries charged up for this drone. I've got everything pulled apart. I've even got the app installed. Now, I do want to say that since this is the X-Pack Plus, it does have a 2K resolution camera on the front. It does have a gyroscope, from what I understand, with that camera, and it's supposed to be pretty stable. But we've got everything ready to go. I'm going to turn it on, do the steps it says to calibrate it, get the signals matched up, and then we're going to set this thing aflight. All right, so if you can see here, this is the camera on the drone. It's pretty nice quality too. That 2K camera is doing pretty good. And this is what you're going to see as the drone is flying around. Now, of course, I'm holding it, and I want to focus on the drone while I'm flying it around and not the video that it's taking. But this is the camera that is coming straight off the drone, and it's pretty nice. It's even stabilized, you can tell. All right, so to get it started, you just press up on it once. That gets the blades are running, and then push it up again to take off. I do have it on headless mode because I'm not really good at driving drones as it is, but it's a little windy today, and this one's actually pretty stable. But yeah, cool drone. It's got all kinds of neat little capabilities in it. Of course, you've got the camera on the bottom where you can take videos. I am not a drone expert, so I know the basics, up and down, left, right. I know that, being headless, you can spin it around and you can still, fly it back and forth like you would even if you're facing it. Headless mode is the way to go, like you're driving a car. Now, if you're not in headless mode, you got to remember the orientation and everything you're at, so that way when you're flying it, you know which direction you're going. But headless mode makes it really nice. All you got to do is know forward and reverse. But man, it's really stable for the lightweight that this drone is. I mean, it can just hover. Now, I don't have the trim set, but super easy to hover. Yeah, really cool drone. I'm surprised on its stability and its ease. This one also has 2 speed modes. I'm not even going to try the second speed mode right now. For just a real easy drone to fly, man, that was very easy to get going. So yeah, for a nice entry-level drone, this is a really cool drone. Definitely something that I think I'm going to be able to get, to a good, comfortable level flying this with no problem. So if you're looking for a good entry-level drone to learn on, or something for an older teenager, very neat drone. I definitely recommend it. This is the X-Pack Plus. So that's the one that comes with the 2K camera. All right, well, I hope this review was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.